Um, we're gonna try. Do you guys know what slam is?
Hello, I'm Todor from Twinkit Studio and Artificial Mind, and in this video I will introduce you to SLAM, Simultaneous Localization and Mapping, by hacking the George Holtz hack of developing SLAM in one Twitch session.
So, you want to both map an environment and keep track of your location in it. So here's the video that we're going to try. See this? It's a video of some guy driving on a road. And the idea is, can we figure out how that car is moving and make a map of the environment that he's driving through at the same time?
So George explained what SLAM is, and I just noticed that I have also a synthesizer in my room. We assume that you have installed it, you have downloaded the Twitch SLAM repository and built the dependencies. I had to modify the code that was using Pangolin because the API has changed. So it builds a 3D model of key points. Experimentally, we discovered that initially only the video appears, but without the 3D map. And it happened that the function setBounds in the past used parameters which were numbers. This is probably dimensions in the image, and this is an aspect ratio. We discovered that there are objects attached which are used in the current version with setBounds. Also, for rendering, draw cameras, which was initially used, had to be updated. You see, I have experimented a bit until I discovered that first, this axis or cameras is a matrix, and second, that the current version of Pangolin accepts a NumPy matrix. So we have to convert this input to NumPy matrix. And finally, this is the draw points, which just had to be changed from draw points to GL draw points. How we discovered that? By error messages. Also, if you compile G2O, the graph optimizer library, you may need to change these codes in eigentypes header to this one in order to compile it successfully.